Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Android Studio, check out the app module, and make a quick VCS commit so you can revert. Once done, locate the activity or fragment that shows the menu and open its layout XML. Make sure to inspect toolbars and any menu-related views. You'll edit either the menu resource or the toolbar/action bar call. This first step prepares the code paths you will change and avoids accidental UI regressions while you proceed. You now modify how the menu is created. Open the Activities on Create Options menu and either remove the inflator call or wrap it in a conditional so the menu won't appear. If using a toolbar, remove menu XML from toolbar. Inflate menu or replace it with toolbar. Set on menu item click listener only. You can also hide specific items with item. Set visible, false. Make sure to update any fragments that call set has options menu, true, so they no longer contribute a menu. Build and run to validate changes. Finish by testing the app in multiple states. Rotate the device, switch API levels, and verify the menu button is gone. If the menu still appears, clear app storage or reinstall to avoid cached resources. Also search for other menu inflations in fragments or included layouts. If problems persist, add logs or breakpoints in on Create Options menu and toolbar inflation points to trace execution. Once confirmed, commit the changes and document why the menu was removed for future maintainers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.